Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and season's greetings from Oma Posh Makeover. This video is going to be showing you eyeshadow tricks. This is the before of face, before the makeup, after the eyebrow is done. Then I'm going to be showing you the products that I use, the eyeshadow, lipstick, brushes and all that. So this is the after look of the makeup done. But in this video you're going to be seeing only the eyeshadow. The other part of the video will be in my next post, so stay tuned and watch out. Right now, I'm starting with the lipstick. That's my trick. I'm using a matte, cream to matte lipstick. All those 24 hours lipstick, that's what I'm using as the base instead of eyeshadow primer. So now I'm using my brush to blend the lipstick. You need to blend the lipstick because if you don't blend it, it will be cakey. The eyebrow will be cakey and it will be breaking off. So I'm trying to blend it as much as I can so the eyeshadow can come out very well. As you can see, I'm blending it. So you keep blending and blending and blending. Blending is key in makeup. So now I'm going to be, this is transitioning. I'm going to be applying, or let me say I'm applying the middle color. I'm using a dark shade, dark brown color. That's what I'm using as the middle color. I'm trying to blend and blend and blend. I'm using a medium size blending brush from MAC. I don't even know the number on it. But if you check description, you will see the details of all the product, the brushes and everything that I used. So I'm trying to blend it very well. That's the middle color. That's transitioning. Next, I'm going to be using a flat brush to tap in the eyeshadow. I'm using pink and like light shade of red. That's what I'm applying on the crease. You can see crease application. Crease application means applying the color, any color of your choice on the crease. In this video, I'm going to be using just one crease color. No mixing of color, just not one now, two color, but after blending it will be one color. So just stay tuned and watch. I'm trying to blend and blend and blend. I'm tapping it in because I used lipstick as the base. So that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to tap in the eyeshadow and blend it, make sure it's well blended. I don't want a very shouty color. I just want something that is moderate. So I'm doing the same thing I did on the other eye. That's what I'm doing now. I'm trying to blend the eyeshadow by you tap in the eyeshadow and you blend at the same time because of the lipstick base. The secret of this lipstick base is that it stays. That eyeshadow can stay for as long as necessary, for 24 hours or even more, because of that lipstick that I use, because it's all this liquid to matte lipstick. And I actually used a nude color because I don't want the color to affect my eyeshadow color, but sometimes you can use any color that you want. I'll also show videos of other colors, other lipstick colors as eyeshadow base. So right now what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be blending with a neutral brush. That's a brush that doesn't have any color. I'm going to be blending the transition color, that's the middle crease color plus the crease color. That's what I'm doing now. I'm trying to blend the crease color plus the middle color. Blending is key in makeup. You have to know how to blend. You shouldn't see where the eyeshadow is starting and where it's ending, like Nigerian flag. You have to blend it very, very well. So the next thing after blending your eyeshadow is eyelining. So I'm using a liquid eyeliner. I don't know if you can see. I'm using a liquid eyeliner. And you can see the way I'm pulling the eye. You have to do that carefully because the eye is very delicate. So you pull the eye so you can see the line. Then the line has to be straight. From the start it will be tiny to the end, then you form the wing. And the wing has to be the same. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm pulling the eye, as you can see. You just pull it carefully. You don't put pressure to line the eye. If you don't line the eye, the eyeshadow does not come out well. That's when you see the work that you have done. So as you can see, I've lined that eye. I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. So you line the eye carefully. You pull the eye and line it. I'm trying to form the wing. The wing has to be the same on both sides, both left and right. So that's what I'm trying to do. As you can see, just carefully watch this video patiently. You understand what I'm saying. So after lining the eye, I'm going to prime the face. I'm going to use face primer to prime the face. So one of my other trick that I use when I'm doing makeup, I usually don't use the regular product that people use. I try to work things out. So in this video, I'm going to be using Nivea Aftershave for men as face primer. If you try it, you will thank me later. It's really good. It mattifies the face and make your makeup last all day. So I'm trying to clean off the excess. That's the dust off of the eyeshadow on the face. You have to do that carefully as well. Then this is my Nivea Aftershave. That's what I'm applying on the face as primer. You do that, and please make sure you blend. Like I said, blending is key in makeup. Either skin work, eyeshadow, eyebrow, whatever, lipstick, blending is key. So I'm trying to blend in the primer onto our skin before I apply the lash. So before I finish applying the lash, the face would have been dry. Okay, so I'm applying the mascara. I'm applying the mascara. So that's mascara. You have to sweep in the mascara and roll it for your lash to stay. You sweep in the mascara and you roll it for your lash to stay and fit in. So now what I'm doing, I'm trying to put the glue, the 24 hours adhesive on the lashes. Then you apply. So when you want to fix your lashes, you ask your client or model to look down, not totally close the eyes, just look down. Then you fix your lashes directly on the natural eyelashes. When you fix your lashes and your eyeliner is showing, then you are good to go. That is why it's professional to line the eye before fixing lashes. Then your first lashes should be looking up. You shouldn't look down. That's the work of a coiler, but most of the time I don't even use a coiler. I just fix and it fits in. So if a coiler is needed, if you fix and it's not looking up, that's the work of a coiler. You get a coiler, then you use to coil the eyelashes. So watch carefully. That's what I'm doing. I'm trying to fix the eyelashes and make sure it's looking up. As you can see, the eyelashes is looking up. You can see the eyeshadow is well blended. So that's the work of blending. No harsh lines, no break. So now you can see the face is matte. That's the model's face because of the primer that I used. Here I'm just using my setting spray to base the face. So after this is the end of this look. You can watch out for the part 2 of this look, how I tied the GELE and how I completed the face makeup. in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. If you love this, thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone. Bye.